A powerful earthquake has struck the central Philippines, killing at least 69 people and injuring many more. Buildings collapsed, landslides hit several provinces, and rescue teams are racing to find survivors. The government has declared a state of emergency, and international aid is on the way. Officials are urging people to stay alert for aftershocks and follow safety updates. Stay tuned to World News Network for the latest global headlines. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more breaking news.